Hi guys, my name is Arpit Lokwani and today I will show you how to do the automation testing of iOS applications. So let's start with some project. I already created one demo project for that so that it will not take so much of time. So start with that Xcode 3, it's basically 5.0.2. So I created one project. Okay, so in this project what it is I will show you. So there is a one view controller having three buttons in that. You can see that first view controller, second view controller and third view controller, and last one is the done testing. So what it will do, it will go to the, if the user click on the first view controller, it will go to the first view controller view, second will go to the second view controller view, third will go to the third controller, and last it's like a done button testing. So the user completed all these things, it will click the done testing so that it will open a alert view in that. Let's see how it is working in the simulator. First see that, uh, let's see, it's started I guess. Yeah, we can do manual testing also and automated also, but I prefer automated is the best one. It will save the time also. So that's, so let's see. Yeah, yeah, so click on this, it will go to the first view controller. Click on back, it will go to this again main, second view controller, it will come to second, go back, third view controller, third view controller, and then after that done testing. Yeah, okay, so you seen that. So let's see how to do a automated testing. Click on that. Now open that one product. In that product open profile, it will open an instrument which is provided by the Apple ID. Click automation, it will open one instrument in that. So first of all, for writing the automation tested, you should aware of that JavaScript. It will work in JavaScript only, so you should aware of that. So let's start in that. So for that we can choose some demos also I guess. No, so start a new, create. So for the time being I will not write the code, whole of the code I will paste. I already written that so that it will save our time. So as you can see, there are certain functions and method and classes are there. See, there is a name as a target as a UI target and local target. What it will do, the basic functionality of it's like it's bring the object of the iPhone simulator so that you can access that simulator. In that it will bring the application in the foreground, the target. And after that, for accessing any particular buttons, label, text fields, we need the window to be accessed in that, because all the stuff is in window. So we have to create an instance of a window so that we can access some buttons which we already created in that. See, these are the buttons, so we have to access these buttons, so we need the instance of that window. So yeah, so in that window we find the buttons, passing the title of that button and what the actions you want to do, tap, set value, what the stuff you want to do, you can put it here in that function's name. So I put it one delay for 4 seconds so that you can see that what is the things going on. And after clicking on this stuff, there is a button where done testing is there, you can see that. So user click on that, so we automatically tested on that. We have to tap that. So let's see how it is working in that automated testing. So it started. So see my mouse is in right side, you can see that. Second view controller, back, third view controller, it should go 4 second delay, back, and after that done testing should be alerted in that. So all the things has been done automated. So you can see now I'm putting my mouse on the OK and now closing that. So this is known as an automation testing in iOS application automation. So the thing is, see, we can do manual testing also, but the basic difference is it will save our time. So that's like we can do unit testing also. Unit testing is not like in this, it's a framework which is given by Apple itself, XC. It's for iPhone, iOS 7, or you can say Xcode 5 plus. Before that, send testing is also there. We can do, we certain classes are there which we can use and create, setup, tear down, and we can write our test cases here also. What we think which method will throw an exception, we can write it and then pass it out. So this is all about the testing part, both automation and unit also. Hope you guys like the video. Subscribe me on YouTube. Thank you.